back to my channel. Today's video is a very special one. I am doing my 800 subscriber giveaway. I'm so excited. I hit 800 subscribers maybe about like a week or two ago, I think. So I've been like trying to figure out what I wanted to do for the giveaway. It's been a while since I've given away a Morphe palette, and Morphe has really stepped up their game recently, so I was like, I'll do another Morphe palette. So I got you guys the Morphe 9A. I just took it out of the packaging so you guys can see it. My little fingerprints are on it. I'll make sure I wipe this off. I'm not going to touch your shadows though, because that's gross. But the film and stuff is over it, so let me put the film back here so I don't accidentally touch them. But it comes with a little mirror, right, which is perfect. And then here are the colors right there. So you have some nice, like, neutral, everyday colors. I feel like this is going to be the perfect palette for every day. Comes with 9 shadows. You have a deep, dark black with a little bit of shimmer in it, a nice, pretty bronze color, a very beautiful champagne, and some neutral and warm toned browns to create a bunch of different looks with that. You can do something really dramatic, and you can do something very natural. So I think this palette is awesome. Once again, it is the Morphe 9A Always Golden palette, and I also got you a pair of falsies to go with it, so you can create a wonderful little look. These are the Ardell Faux Mink lashes. There you go, if you can see that right there. So that is what's going to be in the giveaway. I'm going to post a picture of it like right here so you can see. So all you have to do to be entered is subscribe to my channel, and then just leave me a comment, say hello, say enter me, you know, let me know that you want to be entered in the giveaway, and also leave your like Instagram handle so I can find you. Instagram or Twitter, just let me know like somewhere to find you. Don't put your phone number, your email address, or anything, because I don't want people to like, you know, stalk you or whatever, but put something so I can find you on social media. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. It has been very hard posting videos here recently, just because some of the policies on YouTube have changed, and then it's just like, it seems like it's not really fun anymore, because everything's so like competitive, and everyone's like exposing people, and people are being shady and stuff, and obviously it doesn't have anything to do with me, but it's just like, I don't really want to be involved like with all of that stuff. So YouTube hasn't been like as fun for me recently as it has, or as it had been in the past. But I'm trying to just like look past that and just focus on growing my channel and focus on, you know, making the best content for my loyal subscribers and stuff. So I really appreciate you guys who have stuck with me throughout like the inconsistencies of me not filming and stuff. So I really appreciate you guys. I'm going to try to step it up here and just get over all of that other stuff that doesn't have anything to do with me. Yeah, so anyway, I appreciate you guys once again, and this giveaway is starting today, not May, it is March 2nd, and it will end a week and a day. So I'll let it be open for 8 days, so that will be, what, the 10th? Saturday, March 10th, it will be ended. There's also going to be other ways you can enter up to, I'll do up to 4 times. So you can enter one time here on YouTube, once on Facebook, once on Instagram, and once on Twitter. So there's 4 ways you can enter the giveaway, and best of luck to all who enter. So anyway, I'm going to put this video up so you guys can see it and enter the giveaway ASAP before it is over. So yeah, also in the title of this video it will say giveaway, and then I'm gonna have the word open next to it, as long as the giveaway is open. Once it says closed, the giveaway is closed. You may not enter anymore. So I've had people comment on previous giveaway videos saying like, oh, is this still open? So that's, if I have the little word closed next to it, then it's not open anymore. You cannot enter. So yeah. Also, this giveaway is going to be just in the States this time. My 900 subscriber giveaway will be in the States, and then my 1K giveaway will be international. So just keep an eye out for that. If you are not from America, this giveaway is just for the States this time, okay? Alright, so good luck to all of you guys who enter, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!